Welcome to our July 2019 Global Expansion Update for our one-shot ice cream, frozen yogurt, gelato and sorbet pod dispensers. Last month, our company Facebook page achieved and surpassed over 600,000 global likes and followers, which we have already announced to the world. Although you can see with your own eyes that the global interest is both unbelievably massive and what is happening over here is unprecedented.
We are now shipping far more one-shot pod dispensers this year than what we did last year and the year before that. Big names are also purchasing our dispensers. Our organization is successfully working on achieving our mission of liberating the world from the soft-serve sanitizing process with all of these territory gains. We believe that no sanitizing is a moral imperative because you never know who you're going to serve next. Think about it for one moment. No more expensive residual spare parts that you need to buy for maintenance for your soft-serve machines every year. Plus, our machines are inexpensive and highly scalable for national rollout programs.
Distribution opportunities are available in some areas, and we are already working on further dramatic manufacturing restructuring to meet additional demand. An idea to think about. We are fast approaching 2 billion global portions, and you can see all the demand online. So it really is a win-win opportunity to become a strategic one-shot partner, and everyone loves a winner. Even our main frozen dessert packer is in the middle of a new factory move to a larger facility, with production now starting to soon outpace their old facility. Plus, bigger and faster systems are being installed. More market share, more dealers, more trade shows, more customers, and we are making history. We are looking forward to an exceptionally brilliant July. No matter where you are, the one-shot dispensing system is coming your way.
More information can be obtained from www.oneshot.com. That's one-shot.com. And we love to be your frozen dessert suppliers of choice.